Hello, welcome, and checking in with Uber on 24th of February 2023. So let's have a look at this. We've got that long downwards trend here that was torturing most people for 2022. The market itself was breaking out, but Uber was ahead of them a lot. And what we have here is some very nice action indeed. We've got high volume here that's pushed it above this all-important 40-week moving average line there. And the moving average itself is curling up nicely. Everything had a bad week last week. So in fact, this is a very healthy pullback, as we'll come to just a second when we zoom in. But there's that kind of breakout line there. And if it can hold above that, which it looks like it should do, then this is actually making a great entry point for this stock. So Uber's looking good. Let's zoom into the daily chart for day-to-day action here, and there's that big volume. That means the big boys are buying this. It's pushed it up. That's pushed the price up. A heavy volume buying there. And notice how, as we've had this pullback over the last several days, the volume has been decreasing, and that's a good sign. That means there's not heavy selling on the way down. So here's that line here. This is a very important line. This is a line of resistance, and it broke out above that line on heavy volume, which is a brilliant sign. And now it's come back to that line conveniently, staying above that line of resistance, which now becomes a support line. So right now, actually, this is a really great entry point with a very tight stop loss. If we can buy this about 33.40 like there, and if we have a daily close below that line, somewhere around here, 32, that means we're in with not much risk. And this is a really great entry point, a good time to be talking about Uber. While we're here, let's just talk about another one of our stocks, which has been doing very well. So it had a similar entry to Uber, and that's TGTX. You can see the same thing happening here, and this is why I commentate on stocks like this. There's the high volume, boomed up price right there on heavy volume after it breaks out here, and then up she goes. That's the sort of action we're looking next on Uber. And again, this pullback here, normal and healthy. Things don't go up in straight lines, and so looking for more of the same there. For more updates like this and the one like you see here in TGTX, please like this video and subscribe, and I'll speak to you next time.